So life insurance is a very complex product. The most complex part in this journey was to actually convert all the paper-based scenarios into system-based solutions. In historically 16, 17 years of Bharti AXA's life insurance existence, we have had more than 30 products. So converting all the rules of those products into a digital form and enabling a front-end validation of the customer and the request, that was most challenging. The biggest satisfaction that we have from this project is the customer satisfaction score, which is a testimony of the turnaround time change that we have been able to create, through this project. So earlier, for a request which we call as non-financial request, it would take us about 5 to 7 working days. Through these automated digitized journeys which we did along with Talisma, what we have been able to achieve is close to a 1 or 2 days of turnaround time. It also reflects in our net promoter score, which is the customer satisfaction score, which has gone up by almost 30%. So the internal stakeholders are, their work has decreased manifold, and that is because of the fact that now we take the request first time right. The customer is being validated at the front end, whether it is the branch, whether it is the customer portal. At the same time, when we are accepting the documents, now somebody does not need to look at a manual checklist because everything is automated in the Talisma journeys. So the branch executive knows exactly what are the documents that I need to collect for this particular service request change. Along with that, the contact center has also been enabled for certain basic changes like mobile updation or email ID updation, and it's a true delight for the person, the processor who's doing it, along with the checker, because he gets that request at the same time when the customer is still at the branch, and if there is any discrepancy, we are immediately able to speak to the customer, complete the documentation and finish the journey at the same time. Fortunately for us, the customer-centric approach of Talisma gelled very well with our core values. Okay, so that is one thing which really helped in the integration of the journeys. The second thing which is very critical is that we wanted to create a uniform experience for the customer irrespective of the touch points. So the standardization was achieved by digitizing these journeys. Okay. The third benefit that we really unlocked here was that the paper journeys were eliminated completely. Okay, so now we have about 20 policy servicing journeys which are digitized with the help of Talisma. And one very big benefit that we also derived through Talisma is that they helped collate all the critical customer information, integrated it under one platform, which is our single view screen. Okay, so there were about 9 to 12 satellite systems which one call center executive or a branch executive or a services executive had to look at to give some information to the customer, which really meant that for a complex query, my executive, my agent could take around 20 to 25 minutes to give a simple information. But with the help of this integrated view, now we can give the same information in quick 10 minutes. So this has really helped in reducing the average call handling time also at the call center and created a delight at the branches as well.